So today we're going to Statesville, North Carolina. So we're going to Statesville, North Carolina, and we're going to see this camper that we've been looking at wanting. This camper that we've been wanting. Oh yeah. So we just going to go just take a look at it and make sure that it's something that we really want, something that can actually fit out side by side, and his what you got? Four-wheeler? Yeah, and his four-wheeler, yeah, or his bike. So we just going to see, and it's like what, 2 hours? 2 hours and almost.
It's almost 3 hours.
Almost
2 hours 40 minutes.
Yeah, it's almost 3 hours away. Cause you know this is what we do. We travel, so it don't matter. 3 hours ain't nothing to us.
Yeah, we have a funny thing. Normally, whenever we have to travel out to get something, we normally come back with it.
Yeah,
I don't know if this is going to be the case.
We're going to try to not come back with this camper.
Yeah.
We are here.
I can face you in the castle.
What?
I see it's in castle.
We are here. We're about to go in. Try to use the bathroom first because it's been a long freaking drive.
Yeah, they said almost 3 hours. So.
Yeah. So, going in here and talk to somebody so you can see inside the camper. Alright, guys. Finally.
I love those. And you don't see it in that color very often either. So be a little patient with me. To be honest with you guys, my second week here.
Well, that's fine.
I'm still learning. I'm just here for a moment. We can learn together. Any questions you guys have that I don't know, we'll look at today.
Okay.
This is it.
I'm about to say, look like it.
Let you guys take a look around. Welcome home.
It'd be nice if we would.
Oh, yeah, this is nice.
You guys have a camper now?
Nah, we're trying to, cause basically we're trying to look for something that we can basically put our side by side and stuff in.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
trying to do all in one.
What kind of side by side do you guys have?
K&M Maverick.
A black
You got the
one.
right one. A lot of people have the
Mommy,
razor.
Oh, really?
Yep. So that's part about the
Right
toy
here.
hauler is the back's gonna go down, and since it has those yellow cables right there, it's actually kind of like a little part. Put a net up around it.
What?
Let him hang out there, let some air go in and out of here. What you guys want to do?
Where's that
Lights
couple?
around here.
Where's that couple?
Ooh, this is so
Mommy, where's that couple?
I don't know why they put that swoosh stuff in there. Guess what won't rust or something.
Yeah. Pussy stuff inside there.
Cabinets. That's nice. They got a cabinet down here too.
Yeah.
No, it's pretty good. I mean, they say it's
Store.
Right there, huh? Oh.
you're comfortable with another chair out here. Whatever works.
It's got the bedroom back here.
So when you got 3 burners with the glass top, just to have more counter space. Nice big sink. Plenty of storage. All the little things here, they all come in.
Oh, that's actually a little deep. That's nice. You got one over there too, then one up here.
Yeah.
Here you put your TV and stuff up there.
Yeah.
Remember, this where you're sleeping? Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That
Really?
right there, that's just an extra thing.
Yeah. This is nice.
But yeah, all of those little imperfections we get to trim, we fix it all. It's just they're building a big house on wheels, so sometimes they get a little bit of a rush. The one thing I do love most about this toy hauler is you do have the vents above the floor. Normally when you're on the floor, especially with all the mud and stuff, if you're sweeping around, you're gonna get it in the vent, in the crevices, and it's just gonna stay there. Plenty of overhead storage. You get a pretty decent sized fridge.
I know, but it's hard to open for the, what's the name? Got a nice size refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that must be the lock. Keep it closed.
Yep.
Oh, what time, man?
What?
Oh yeah, this is a nice size refrigerator.
It's a nice size fridge.
Yeah.
Good size freezer.
Oh yeah.
That'll work.
You guys also get the ducted air conditioning on the roof, so plenty of room to keep this place cool, keep it hot, whatever you need to do.
Yeah.
You have your main
Are these
control
like
panel.
spotlights or something?
Correct.
Or
They're
that's
just
like the regular-
spotlights to help
Okay.
illuminate at night, during the day, whatever you need them for. Little cabinet right here to hide any controls if you decide to put a TV up here.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to do that.
That's big, isn't it?
Yeah. This camper is also wired for solar as well.
Okay.
So instead of wasting your energy all day, solar panels will trickle charge the battery. So while you're driving, you can actually, the solar panels will keep this fridge cool.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about
Oh.
food going bad while you drive. And when you're at the
I
campsite,
love
you're not spending as much changing batteries or using propane.
Gotcha.
That's nice.
Now you check out the bathroom. It does have a pretty nice sized bathroom.
Oh, this the microwave?
Oh, well, what's that?
Oh, that's a nice microwave.
You get the nice toilet with the foot flush.
Stove.
How do you like the RV? You like it? What happened to your thumb? Uh-oh.
Plugs right here.
Yeah, you got good space. You can actually
You
turn around.
fit? Shower good?
Yeah.
Let me see.
That light.
You fit in the shower?
Yep.
Yeah,
That's the
that
one
gives
thing
you
I
that
tell
extra-
everyone. The tallest family member needs to get in the shower to make sure.
Let me see.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
good.
Oh yeah.
Then you step off to the side a little bit.
Right there.
But this is good.
Cause you got that
Yeah, I'm
skylight.
glad. Yeah,
You put it in the
that was
middle.
smart.
Right
Yeah.
there. And why you step inside there?
I gotta see if I fit, man.
Right. Won't be good if you don't fit. You have you taking showers outside?
Take a shower.
I actually had a customer yesterday. He was 6'10",
Oh,
and it was a struggle finding a camper that had room for him.
so I don't know.
Hi. Ah.
Get around, do what you need to do.
Mommy,
Got a nice
got
sized
me.
bed.
Oh, this is the gate right here to go around
So
the
you got plenty
the
of storage
tailgate
on the
part
outside.
to make like a porch.
Pass-through storage, so you don't always have to lift this up.
I love the floors in here. It's so
Yeah,
nice.
definitely makes your life a whole lot easier.
Sorry.
And you have plugins that
I love
you can
these
set CPAP machine, charge your
Blinds,
phones at
they
night.
just slide
Cabinets
up.
on both sides, and as well as this upright one right here.
Just like that.
I love that everything is all on one
Gives you
side.
AC
Let
and
me
heating
see
in
if
the
it's
room. Definitely helps at night. That too? Look at all that.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
I like this little part right here. You put your shoes.
Believe
Yeah,
it or
the
not,
floor.
a lot
Yeah.
of people just look by that. I'm glad you noticed that because that is a huge selling point for a lot of people. Because you don't want to put shoes where you're putting clothes and everything,
Exactly,
especially if they're all
yeah.
muddy. So it makes your life a whole lot easier just to have that little space.
Yep. Yeah, I like that.
Hold on,
Put the
man.
shoes there. You fitting the table nicely?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can always like, slide it down
Yeah,
or whatever
yeah.
you need.
Yeah.
What you think?
I like it. So how does these chairs go up?
I'll show you that. You can move this cushion as well.
Oh, okay.
You'll move these legs down and it locks right into the wall.
Okay.
So you
Oh.
have plenty of room. And then when the legs are down, I believe it is this table. You can collapse this table, and the ends of the table will fit right here on the little slots on the end of the bench.
Yeah.
You actually have a whole nother couch if you leave the side-by-side out at night. So it's a whole nother living area for you guys to hang out in, sleep in.
Yeah, because this from here to the wall right here, even if you put the front wheel up, I mean, you have plenty of room.
Another cow.
Yeah?
Another cow.
And your toys at night when you keep it in storage. But on top of having those two open and the back door down, you have all the light you need in here.
I love these shades. These are just, so they just slide down.
It's so nice and easy.
Oh, it's nice.
All working it over over there, it's easy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love that window right there. And it, oh, that window, you can open that one up too?
Oh yeah. And it has a screen for you.
Oh, see that breeze came through this?
Yeah, and the best part is so when you guys are out camping, this is what's called the campside of the camper. So generally when you're parking, you're going to be hooking up on that side.
Right.
So you have a beautiful view of the actual campsite and your side-by-side if you decide you want to stay in here at night. So you guys are going to have outdoor speakers for when you go out and party.
Oh yeah.
Huge awning.
Oh yeah. It covers that whole. It covers all the windows. As a matter of fact.
Yeah, that is.
You can plug anything you need to in right here.
Yeah.
And again, you guys are running off solar, so your life's easy. You're not concerned when you're at the campground. You're having fun. On the back, just to show you how big that door really is, it's going to come back to about here. So you guys have a whole nother area to party, do whatever. A lot of people will hang lights when they get to the campsite, put a net over it so no bugs get in.
Right.
It's a nice, cold afternoon.
It's nice.
On this side is where all your hookups are going to be. Freshwater city water connection. It is a dual axle. Outdoor shower to wash. You guys can wash your side by side with an outdoor shower so it's not all muddy and has stains every time you pull it in.
Oh yeah, that's what sewage hooked up and stuff.
I like the wash thing, like say for like the side by sides and stuff.
Yeah. Back up, man. You gotta swing it over.
What was that? Sometimes they give us the right key, sometimes they don't. But I'll show you on the other side. This is where that pass-through storage is under the bed.
Okay.
So if you guys bring fishing poles, anything of that nature, you can put them in there. It makes it real easy. The days of cranking your hand jack are over now.
Yeah,
You just have a flip of a switch.
Oh, really?
You just flip this up and it'll raise up, put it down, lower it down onto the ball hitch, and you guys are ready to go.
Nice.
We're all about making your life as easy as possible. Best part about the shape and the layout of this trailer, it's the ultimate toy hauler. We say that because it has the diamond right here.
Right.
So what that's gonna do when you're traveling, when you're driving, most of the debris flowing up from the tires hits here. It can't scratch, it won't nothing. You can wipe it off, grab a sponge, get the bugs off.
Alright you guys, so we finished looking at the camper. And it was the perfect camper, and that's the camper that we want. Like I said, we were just looking to make sure that it was the camper we wanted, it was the size we wanted, and the price and stuff. We're gonna try to see, like, we can look at different prices and stuff. I know there's probably some more campers out there with like cheaper prices, especially like in Ohio. We would drive to Ohio, y'all. We really would. If we can save money on the camper, we will drive there. So we were just looking at stuff. I'm just so excited about this camper because that joint looks so freaking good. Like, it had everything we wanted. I don't like campers that have when you have to go through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. And so this camper had its own bathroom separately from the bedroom. And you don't have to walk through the daggone bathroom to get to the bedroom. Like, don't nobody want to walk through someone's shit?
Really? Really?
I'm just saying, somebody they take a boo-boo and you want to go to the bedroom, go lay down, and you got to walk through the phone. Shoot.
Coming down the street. Mary, hold the phone for mommy. Hold the phone for mommy. There it go. Oh, hold this.
I know.
Yeah.
Mommy.
There it go.
Where do you want this bad boy?
Oh, right here on the side. There you go. Yep. All right, watch out, Mary. Come on. All right, let me pause for this part. We gotta help you. All right, guys. So they delivered it. Give y'all a show real quick. It ain't perfect, but it's good enough for right now. It'll stay right here until I'm ready to hook it up and move it myself. But yeah, it's a decent sized trailer. Like I said, this is our multi-purpose, like everything we're gonna do. So whether we're gonna haul toys or if we're gonna just regular camp. Yeah, we're just blessed to have a house and yard big enough to accommodate all this stuff. That's a little walk around. Yep. So that's gonna be it.